Today, working on the 530 Fizzle, you feel me? So, here it is. And we're doing the front and rear brakes. Front and rear brakes are pretty much done. Once I do that, then I'm gonna bleed the brakes again. And we'll go from there. Take it out for a drive. I still gotta get the steering rack and figure all that out, but we'll get there when we get there. But in the meantime, we're gonna do the brakes. So I wanna start fixing all the little minor stuff before I get major. So, minor then major. Let's get it. So first things first, what I'm going to do is 2 bolts back here. There's one behind here under this cover. Right back there. There's one right here under this cover. It fell nice somewhere, but got those 2 out. Those 2 bolts, and the whole caliper comes off. You take that off. I'm gonna get something like a, I don't know, some, and I'm gonna hang that up there, so that way it doesn't stretch out or stress the brake line. And then we'll change the pads. Push the pads in, change the pads, and then we'll move to the back. So let's get it. So now, like I said, those 2 screws, I got those off in the back. Now you're gonna take this clip, just down like that. Watch out with your face though, pimpin'. Get that out, like such. Just like a little rope. I know it's tied like around a control arm or something like that. But I won't break none. We'll come back to it. So it wasn't none of that. I think you just gotta be a little more aggressive with it, Sean. Just gotta be a little more aggressive with it, Sean. You gotta be a little more aggressive with it, Sean. So that wasn't the problem. Then what I do, let's see. Brakes are still all right. All right, so they sent me the right brake, as in size and all that, right? But they sent me the wrong brake because they got this on here. And this won't clear the caliper. So what I'm gonna do, get my Dremel and cut these two and then flatten it down and then put it on there. We shouldn't have no problems. So I gotta do that for both sides. Yeah, make it fit. Instead of me shipping it back, going through all that. Just get the Dremel, cut both sides on both sides. And voila. So let me get to that now. Now I got that taken care of. Now we're gonna clean the brakes. Spray some brake cleaner on the rotors, get all that damn dust off. So there, bam, there go my setup now. You feel me? Hold up. So now you get that. You just twist. Alright, so now you seen how I use my wood trick. Now I got that all done. Now what I'm gonna do is put this in. Homie's pulling up bumping, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna put this in there. All right, then when that's on there, you on the slide. Put that in there like that. So that's gonna be in there. You see the brake? Hi-yow. Then I have to swing that around. It'll be a whole lot of fight. After I fight, I'm gonna let you know. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me.
How many blues you got, son?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 6?
Yeah, I guess.
Huh? Nigga, how many clothes you got, nigga?
That. 4.
Fucking big egghead ass nigga.
Look at this nigga over here, y'all. Check this out, man. I got the 2 screws in now. And bam, so what I did was, I fought it on. After I fought it on, I put those 2 in. Now those lined up, I'm pretty much golden. I just gotta finish screwing the bolts in and do all that stuff, but I pretty much got the base part set down. I still got that in the support. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna unscrew that and untie it under that. So it'll take me a little break and then I'm gonna get back at y'all. So yeah, then you put all that on. I had those 2 screws on. Tighten them down. 1, 2. Then there's 2 more right there. 1 right there, 1 right there. Tighten those down. 1, 2. All 4 bolts are back in and tighten down the torque down. Brake pads are on. We ready to go. Now I just gotta do the other side and I'm gonna do the back. And then, yeah, man, we getting there. We getting there. So we got this side done. Next up is the other side. So let me get that and get it cracking, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm on the other side. And it started raining on me, so I had to speed the process up. So I got the rotor off. Then I ended up taking the 4 bolts off, and then as I took the 4 bolts off, I discovered something. I took those off, then the 2 bolts that go in the back, right here, that holds this up. So what I did is I put the brake pad back on, put this back on, tighten up those 2 to make sure it was lined up and right. Once I did that, I got this brake pad, slide that up there, and you just slide it on top of the rotor. Now I can't do both at the same time, so I'm gonna slide that on, then I'm gonna holler back at y'all, all right? Yeah, so it started raining again majorly. Look at that. And I finally got to get the clip on. I was trying to figure that out. Got the clip on. Got all 4 bolts on, everything tightened down. I got the brake sensor on. So this side is done, ready for the tire to go on. Then the other side, I want to double check, make sure I didn't do nothing wrong on the other side. So I'm taking the other side back off real quick. And then I'm gonna double check, go over some stuff. Also, might as well go over it with you guys, so you guys can know what's going on, right? And then once the brake is compressed, this part actually comes off. What I don't see people posting videos about is the clip. Put that like that, put that like that. All right. All right. All right, so there you have it. Your boy's done, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing my thing, you know what I'm saying? And it's going down, you know? Got that done. So now I'll probably reverse it, do the backs real quick. Let's tighten up, cool. Now I probably just back it up, reverse it, do the rears real quick. And then call it a day, man. So let me hop on that real quick. I saw, I did not conquer today, but I will conquer another day because it's getting dark out here due to daylight savings. And I gotta put my computer on there so I can release the rear brakes, put it in service mode. So I don't have time to do that. It's about to get dark. It's already 4 o'clock, about to be 5. So I got it done and running on the front. So the front brakes are done, everything's replaced, everything's good, stops good, does all that. And then next time I'm gonna do the rear and I'm gonna bleed the system again. So should be fun, should be fun. But as for now, yeah, man, we just got the front brakes done. Gonna do the rears next, put the computer on it, do all that. Yeah, man, she sounding good though. She's running, sounding good, so. You know, I'll call that a wrap for today, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.